friends, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I wanted to show you today how to do this adorable little bow with there's like no tying involved. So I wanted to show you how I created this. You're going to need a hole punch, and what you're going to do is you're going to punch two holes next to each other, just like so. You're going to grab some ribbon, and you are going to feed this through. Just a quick welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. So you're going to push that through. And then what you're going to do is you're going to flip your cardstock around, and you're going to feed the opposite loops through the holes. Just like so. How adorable is that? And let me tell you, I stink at tying bows. That's why I never do it. But this, there was no tying involved. It lays nice and flat, so it's great for mailing. Super awesome. Yes, I know. So yeah, give this a try on your next project. It's awesome. I love it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. I will have this project linked at the end. So go and have a check and have a look how to create this project. I also have a printable calendar that you can print off my website. If you're in the US and you're interested in any of the products that I used in today's video, I will have them linked in the description below. I will also have a detailed description over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there. And I hope everybody has a wonderful and safe weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday. I have a great project planned for Monday, so I hope you'll join me then. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Take care.